You've probably heard of this phrase, make money with AIs. And if you're still very blank with this phrase and you feel like you still don't understand what this really entails, in this video, I'm going to be walking you through 7 realistic career paths you can take to make money using AIs. So stick with me till the end of this video and you will definitely learn how to start making money using AIs. Let's go! The first way you can make money using AI is to work as an AI annotator. And I've made countless videos on this channel explaining how you can make money working as an AI annotator, training these models, trying to make them develop. Now, a lot of companies are adopting individual AI systems to automate their workflow, and they keep needing a lot of annotators. So this is a very booming industry for a lot of people. So if you're starting with AI and you have zero skills, zero knowledge, you can actually start with this, training models and improving them. So this is the first way you can make money with AIs. And some of these companies that offer this kind of roles are companies like Minddrift, Lionbridge, Telos, Scale AI, and a lot of these companies. So you can check on their LinkedIn career profile or keep watching my channel to see when this vacancy come up. And you're fit for this vacancy. Anyone can make money working as an AI trainer and AI annotator. Also, there's no payment, there's no cost attached to this kind of career path. It is basically you looking for these opportunities, which I do share in this channel. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel for more updates, and you just apply for them and you start annotating works for these companies. Now, the second way you can make money with AI in this 21st century and this AI generation is by working as an AI content creator. It could be blogging, it could be video making, but in this video, I just specifically want to talk about making videos on social media platforms. So as an AI content creator, what you do is that you generate prompts from possibly ChatGPT, and you go to a AI video creation tool like Ulio, Midjourney, Sora, and these are tools you could use to create videos, engaging videos. Now, what you do after you create these videos, you generated a script, remember, maybe from ChatGPT, and you go to these AI video creation tools and maybe image creation tool like Midjourney, and you can do some research further when you watch this video for any specific way you prefer to make money online. Please go ahead and search these specific ways I have discussed in this video on YouTube, so you see a deeper dive from other creators that are into this particular field specifically. You take these scripts, you put them in these AI video creation softwares, and they generate clips that you can now restructure into a storyline, and you edit them inside CapCut, which is a relatively free tool or very cheap tool. Now, when you're done with editing these videos, you can upload them on social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and even Instagram. Then you can develop an audience and you can get paid through the monetization system of these separate platforms. So this is a relatively simple way to make money online, and it does involve some cost because some of these tools are paid for. So let's say it's going to cost you just around $100 to launch everything, and hopefully you can make some money from these contents you create online. The third way you can make money from AIs or utilizing AI is by working as a prompt engineer. AIs have gotten to this point now. You should understand that we have around like 9 major AI labs. We are talking about Google DeepMind, we're talking about Open AIs, and these other research labs. Now, they have gotten to this point where they have trained these models by comparing different responses, and they have gotten so good to the extent that these models are now preparing to get into a stage called super intelligence. This is above the normal artificial intelligence we know them as, but they are getting into super intelligence. And to actually graduate into this stage of super intelligence, they need experts to engineer specific kind of prompts in specific domains to help them improve. Now, this is different from regular annotation. This is a kind of way where you are an advanced person in a particular domain. Let's say you study one of these STEM courses, let's say mathematics, and you're very good with mathematics. You can help engineer you can help engineer prompts that will specifically train and advance these models. Now, in this kind of positions, you will work with labs and research teams, and you can make a very huge amount of money by working with them. Now, one company I know that does shortlist expert engineers, prompt engineers, is a company like Surge AI, where they even pay up to $100 to $150 per hour if you're a professor or you have an advanced knowledge of those specific domain they're in search of. As a prompt engineer, you just need to be a very good expert at your particular domain you're applying for these roles. And I've separated it from regular annotation because you're going to be working with ROL, think ROL-ish-F. Yes, that's reinforced learning with human feedback. So you're going to be working with these labs in your specific domain to make sure that AIs graduate from this regular stage of artificial intelligence to a form of super intelligence. And to get to this stage, they need experts like you to engineer prompts. So you will need some specific knowledge of programming sometimes. Sometimes they require you to have some knowledge of Python, NLP, that's natural language processing. And this knowledge will help you advance because by the time you join, your knowledge of programming, NPL, plus your expertise in your particular domain, you can structurally train this model. If you work with lab scientists in maybe perhaps one of these major labs, or companies like Turing, we will actually stand as a third party, or rather in between between you and expert and these research labs. So prompt engineering is one very strategic way you can look into if you're an expert in any domain. Now, the fourth way you can make money utilizing AI or from this AI trend is to work as an AI project lead. Now, if you do have some knowledge of management sciences, or you are in the field, you're an expert as HRO, or you have any related management science expertise, then you should start looking at how to advance this knowledge and implement knowledge of software like Notion, Trello, Slack, and this knowledge will be very helpful if you combine it with your knowledge and expertise in management sciences. You could look for companies that do hire annotators and target yourself to get these management positions as a project lead. These positions are better than working as a regular annotator, since you do have knowledge as a manager, and your soft skills, your leadership skills will all come in handy to manage a huge team of annotators. So this is a role you could look into, and also it is very helpful if you're going into the management or the project lead career path of AIs. Then you should also be able to write very well, because you'll be also there to aid technical writers, and you can easily work as a technical writer also, since you do understand how this project work, because in most cases you interface between the annotators and the suppliers of these contracts. So working as a project manager or as a project lead for AI companies is one very huge market currently. Another way you can make money with AI or this current AI trend is to work as an AI automator, and this is a very good way to make money. All you need to do is to utilize some tools and create systems with this tool. You can work with tools like Zapier, Make, and Notion AI, and you can develop or automate systems that companies will need. You can also work as a chatbot creator and integrate chatbots into businesses. There are many businesses that are looking for AI solutions to help advance them, maybe automate some kind of process in their business. So by working in this position, you can easily get very huge gigs if you're freelancing on even Upwork. Now, the good thing about this is that it is zero coding. You just need to understand how to work with this software. APIs is very important if you want to work as an automator. So know how to work with APIs and understand how to automate productivity for companies. There are many businesses, and one good way to get clients in this particular career path with AIs is to understand how cold mailing works. I've done videos on cold mailing, where you target specific businesses and you profile AI solutions to them. Trust me, this is $1 million opportunity. Sixth way you can make money online with AIs is AI educational sharing. This is quite simple. All you need to do is to be abreast with current information and trends on AI. So if there's any new software coming out, if there's any new video editing tool, if there's any new photo editing tool, all you need to do is to review them, make a video, test them, and share them on social media, or you have a blog. Just publish these things. Trust me, the AI niche will continuously keep growing. It will keep growing. So they will need tech journalists, they will need people to review this website. So as an AI educator or a knowledge sharer in this specific niche of AIs, you will trend on YouTube if you do very good videos about these tools. And many companies, you can easily get contracts. Many companies would like to sponsor you. They would like to pay you to review these softwares for them, since you've grown a level of following. The seventh way you can make money utilizing AI or with AI is by working as a technical AI developer. Now, this is what we say technical, full-fledged programming. You're full-time working, learning as a developer. So what you need to do is to learn Python, learn language like Python, learn data analytics with Python. There are frameworks like, I think there's TensorFlow, PyTorch, and you learn these things. Like, you take your time. I'm not a technical AI developer, but this is something I would normally advise students. If you're in the university, 100 level, 200 level, 300 level, take your time and learn this skill. This is a skill that will make you a valuable person in the society at large. You'll be easily a millionaire if you can successfully learn this skill. Now, it takes time to learn technical AI development, but it is worth it. It is worth it. Anything you're studying in the university, trust me, nothing will actually beat technology. Nothing will beat these computer sciences. If you can work on this, develop your skill, the market is just open for you and waiting for you. These are the 7 ways that you can make money utilizing AIs in this current AI trend. And I don't want any of you guys to miss out on it. So do take action. As you've watched this video, know which one you specifically want to learn. Go ahead and do further research on it, because this is just an overview of these systems. You can do a Google search, you can search on YouTube to learn more of this system, to learn more about these systems and which one actually and which one fits you better. Like, I would generally not advise a married man with kids that has a 9 to 5 to start learning AI development. I'm not saying it's impossible, but I'm saying it's difficult. So know which is better for you and which is more fitting for you. And thanks guys for watching, and catch you on another video.